Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add local files to Spotify on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There's a new way of adding local files to Spotify on your iPhone, so what you need to do is close out of Spotify and go and open up the Files app on your iPhone. So go and open it up. Now what you need to do is go and have the music files which you want to go and add to Spotify in the Files app. So what you'll need to do is go and download some or download them and save them here, then go and locate them. So for me, I've got some on my iPhone, and then the songs I want to use are in this folder called Convert. Now you need to go and select them, so click on the three dots in the top right, click on Select, and then go and select them. You need to go and click on the Move button in the bottom in the middle, and then it says Search. Just click at the top there and go and search Spotify, and you should then see the Spotify folder. Click there, and here it is, then just go and click on Move, and you've now moved them into it. So come back to Spotify now and go to the top left and click on your profile icon, either on the home page, the search page, or the Your Library page. It will open up the side menu, then click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Apps and Device, then open it up. Here, go to Audio Local Files and go and switch it on like so. You need to go and give it permission if asked, and it then says your local files have been added to your library, so click on your library. If it doesn't immediately show, go and close Spotify and then reopen it. You can then click on Local Files, as you can see, and you can then go and play those songs which you added, and of course you can go and add more to that folder as I just showed you. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add local files to Spotify on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.